MOOSOO 12.7 Quart Air Fryer, 1800W Air Fryer Oven 8-in-1, Oil-less Electric Air Fryer with Dehydrator, Rotisserie, and Bake, LED digital touchscreen, time, and temperature dial, including accessories and air fryer cookbook, 100 recipes. Click the link below for more info and 35% special discount offer. Extra $20 coupon for 3 days only. Order with confidence. All-in-one appliance plus functional air fryer oven MOOSOO MA50 RA011 versatile functional air fryer oven. This all-in-one machine is not only an air fryer but also a dehydrator, rotisserie, pizza grill and oven toaster. Different functions includes fries, ribs, fish, shrimp, chicken, cake, beef, dehydration. Enjoy delicious food according to your choices. Digital LED touchscreen plus central controlled dial. A modern designed air fryer with digital LED touchscreen is convenient to use. Equipped with central control dial, this air fryer is much easier to set time temperature than others. Just choose your preset with one touch program on the digital display and start your cooking with this air fryer. 360 degrees hot air circulation plus 1800W large power unique 360 degrees hot air circulation technology. MOOSOO MA50 air fryer oven can offer you crispy fried food with up to 85% less oil and fat than traditional deep fry method. Moreover, this air fryer has 1800-watt power heating element, which promises you a quicker and healthier cooking every day. 12.7 QT large capacity plus easy to clean air fryer dimension, 12.2 liters 14.57 watts 15.63H different from other smaller air fryer. This air fryer with 12.7 quart capacity inner size, 255x245x 175 mm 10.04 9.65 6.89 inch, can fit a large family with 3 to 7 people. Also, the air fryer oven comes with additional tools like rotisserie basket, skewers rack, fried racks, drip tray, rotisserie fork for whole chicken, rotisserie retrieval. All accessories are dishwasher safe. Very easy to clean. Great, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.